myself or the rest of the crew can do to help you this morning, please don't hesitate to ask. We recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened in case of any turbulence, and if you fall asleep we wouldn't want to disturb you, so please keep the buckle visible. We are a non-smoking airline and smoking is not permitted at any time. There are sensitive smoke detectors fitted in all of the toilets, and keeping with your safety in mind, Thomson Airways has a zero tolerance policy to disruptive behaviour of any kind. There are 5 toilets on board this aircraft. There's one at the front on the left-hand side for the premium passengers who are seated in the A, B, C, D seats. There are 2 at row 11 and 2 at the rear of the cabin. Can we kindly ask that you refrain from walking across the aisles at row 11 and row 20 so as not to disturb the passengers who are seated there? Can we ask you please to use the washrooms located on your side of the cabin, and please be aware that these may be behind you. Your in-flight entertainment will commence shortly, and more information and instructions can be found on your personal seat back screen. For all of the passengers in the standard cabin, you'll be given the opportunity to upgrade your system to access a wider range of entertainment and an additional 3 blockbuster movies. If you upgrade, this also allows you to pause, fast forward or rewind what you're watching. To upgrade, it costs £5 per person, and a member of the crew will be passing through the cabin shortly to help you with this. We do accept payment by credit card, however this facility is currently not available from your personal handset. The crew will be happy to accept your payment as they pass down the cabin. During the flight we'll be offering you drinks from the bar. This will be followed by a hot meal served with either tea or coffee. Later in the flight we'll offer our onboard duty-free service, and before we touch down in Puerto Plata we'll serve you with a light afternoon tea, once again served with tea or coffee. Ladies and gentlemen, the cabin crew will shortly be giving out customs and immigration